The Mediterranean diet has been ranked as the best diet for 5 years in a row by the US News and World Report. It's easy to understand why. The diet emphasizes eating fresh foods that are delicious and satisfying, and it's been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reducing your risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even some cancers. Plus, you get the added bonus of helping your skin look younger. The Mediterranean diet is not an official diet plan. Instead, it's modeled after the traditional eating patterns of countries that border the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. The diet consists of plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. It also includes moderate amounts of fish and poultry, dairy products, and olive oil. Red meat and processed foods are consumed only occasionally. It's important to note that the Mediterranean diet is more than just a list of foods to eat or avoid. It's a way of life that emphasizes fresh, wholesome foods prepared with simple cooking methods. It also encourages regular physical activity and social connections over a series of meals. While adopting the Mediterranean diet completely may not be realistic or necessary for everyone, incorporating its principles into your own eating plan can still provide many health benefits. So here are some tips on how to add more Mediterranean flavors to your diet without going all in. Tip number 1. Use extra virgin olive oil as your primary cooking fat. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. It has a high smoke point, meaning it can withstand high cooking temperatures without breaking down or releasing harmful chemicals. This makes it ideal for cooking methods common in Mediterranean cuisine, such as grilling, baking, and sautéing. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. When choosing an olive oil, look for one that is cold-pressed and labeled as extra virgin, as this indicates the highest quality. Store olive oil in a cool, dark place to prevent it from going bad. To use olive oil in your kitchen, try cooking with it instead of butter or other saturated fats. You can also use it as a base for salad dressings or dips like hummus or guacamole. By making these simple swaps, you can easily incorporate the heart-healthy benefits of extra virgin olive oil into your diet. Tip 2. Stock your kitchen with herbs and spices. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fresh, flavorful ingredients, and herbs and spices are a great way to add flavor to your meals without adding extra calories, fat, or salt. Many herbs and spices commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine, such as oregano, basil, and thyme, have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. In addition to their health benefits, herbs and spices are also a delicious way to add variety and interest to your meals. They can be used to create complex flavor profiles that make your food more satisfying and enjoyable to eat. When it comes to using herbs and spices in the kitchen, there are endless possibilities. They can be used to season meats, poultry, and fish, or added to soups, stews, and sauces for a flavorful depth. You can also use them to create your own spice blends to add to your favorite recipes. For example, a simple blend of oregano, thyme, and rosemary can be used to add a Mediterranean flair to grilled chicken or fish. Tip 3. Grill your meats, seafood, and veggies. Grilling is a popular cooking method in Mediterranean cuisine because it allows you to cook food quickly and evenly while adding a smoky flavor. Grilling meats, seafood, and vegetables is also a healthy option as it requires little to no added oils or fats. Plus, grilling can be a fun and social activity, making it a great way to connect with friends and family while enjoying a delicious meal. When grilling, it's important to keep safety in mind. Make sure to clean your grill grates before and after use and use a food thermometer to ensure that your food is cooked to a safe internal temperature. To add more Mediterranean flair to your grilled meals, try serving your dishes with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, or a squeeze of lemon juice. Tip number 4. Enjoy meals with friends and family. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes the importance of sharing meals with others. This is not only a great way to bond with loved ones, but also a chance to enjoy the social aspects of food. When you eat with others, you can try new dishes, learn about different cultures, and create lasting memories. Plus, the company can make your meals more enjoyable and satisfying. To make the most out of your meals, try to disconnect from your phone and other distractions so you can focus on the people around you. You can also try to make eye contact and engage in conversation to strengthen your bonds with those around you. By making an effort to connect with others during meals, you can create a more positive and enjoyable dining experience for everyone. Tip number 5. Focus on plant-based proteins. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes plant-based proteins such as beans, lentils, and nuts. These proteins are a great alternative to red meat and poultry as they are typically lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. Beans and lentils are also a good source of fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and help you feel full for longer. Nuts are a healthy source of protein, fiber, and unsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and promote heart health. When it comes to incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet, there are many delicious options to choose from. Beans and lentils can be added to salads, soups, and stews for a boost of protein and fiber. Nuts can be enjoyed as a snack or used in recipes such as pesto or nut butters. You can also experiment with tofu, tempeh, and edamame, which are all excellent sources of plant-based protein. By focusing on plant-based proteins, you can create a more balanced and nutritious diet while also reducing your intake of saturated fat and cholesterol. Tip number 6. Select whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains contain all 3 parts of the grain kernel, the bran, endosperm, and germ, providing a rich source of nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Refined grains, on the other hand, have been processed to remove the bran and germ, leaving only the endosperm, which contains less nutritional value. When it comes to selecting whole grains, look for options that are 100% whole grain to ensure that they haven't been mixed with refined grains. Some examples of whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, barley, and whole wheat pasta. To make the switch from refined to whole grains, start by swapping out white rice for brown rice or white bread for whole wheat bread. You can also try using quinoa instead of couscous or barley instead of white rice. Experiment with different whole grains to find your favorites and incorporate them into your meals. Tip number 7. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables whenever possible. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fresh, seasonal produce, and for good reason. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that are important for maintaining overall health. They also contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that can help protect against chronic diseases. Plus, fruits and vegetables are naturally low in calories, making them a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. To make the most of fresh produce, try to buy fruits and vegetables that are in season, as they will be at their peak ripeness and flavor. You can also consider growing your own herbs and vegetables if you have access to a garden or even just a sunny windowsill. When it comes to preparing fruits and vegetables, keep it simple. Fresh produce is so delicious and nutritious that it doesn't need much to be appealing. Try grilling, roasting, or sautéing your veggies to bring out their natural flavors, or enjoy fruits as a refreshing snack or dessert. Tip number 8. Choose sustainable seafood. Seafood is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, and it's easy to see why. Seafood is a great source of lean protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. It's also naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy option. However, it's important to choose seafood that is caught or farmed sustainably to protect our oceans and marine life. When it comes to seafood, look for options that are certified sustainable by organizations such as the Marine Stewardship Council or Aquaculture Stewardship Council. You can also ask your fishmonger or seafood retailer about the sustainability of their products. Some examples of sustainable seafood include wild-caught salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mussels. To incorporate more seafood into your diet, try adding it to salads, soups, or pasta dishes. You can also enjoy grilled or baked seafood as a main course. Tip 9. Remember that it's about balance, not deprivation. The Mediterranean diet is all about enjoying fresh, wholesome foods in moderation. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or depriving yourself of the foods you love. In fact, the Mediterranean diet allows for the occasional indulgence in foods like cheese, wine, and chocolate. It's about finding a balance between healthy choices and occasional treats. When planning your meals, focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. And when it comes to indulgences, enjoy them in moderation and make healthier versions whenever possible. For example, instead of reaching for a bag of chips, try making homemade popcorn or air-popped popcorn. Adopting the Mediterranean diet doesn't mean you need to overhaul your entire lifestyle. Start by making small changes to your eating habits and cooking methods. Gradually incorporate more Mediterranean-inspired meals and ingredients into your routine. You may be surprised at how easy it is to enjoy the delicious flavors and health benefits of the Mediterranean diet without going all in. And don't forget, the Mediterranean diet is more than just a list of foods to eat. It's a way of life that emphasizes fresh, wholesome foods prepared with simple cooking methods and shared with friends and family. So, as you make these changes, take the time to appreciate the process of cooking and eating and savor the delicious flavors of the Mediterranean.